measuring hero, Jay here. The process of manufacturing into the medical segment is very difficult, so we thought it would be fun to come in and learn a little bit about manufacturing into the medical plastic solutions. We came all the way back to Germany, near the Black Forest, to visit a company called Röchling, who are leaders in this space. So we thought we would bring in Nico to explain a little bit about these challenges and a little bit about the company. Nico, first of all, before we dive in, thank you for inviting us to your facility. It is really cool.
Thank you, Jay.
Could you tell us a little bit about what Rchling does?
Thank you, Jay. Of course, it's a pleasure that you are here today. We at Röchling Medical provide solutions for pharmaceutical, biotech and medical device companies worldwide. We offer a wide range of high complex and high quality components and assemblies up to final end-to-end OEM products. Wow. Our customers aren't looking for a supplier who only deliver parts. They are looking for a supplier who provides solutions.
Okay.
We support our customer along the entire value chain, from the very first idea, first beginning of a product development, up to the entire value chain, to the final packaged and sterilized OEM product.
Well, that sounds extremely hard to do, and I'm really looking forward to diving in and learning about the whole process, yeah?
Yes, I will hand over to my colleagues, to our experts. They will show you all the steps of our entire value chain.
Great, great. And then maybe I run into you at the end, yeah?
You will see us at the end.
Perfect,
Yes.
all right.
Perfect.
Thanks,
Jay.
Nico.
See you.
Okay, so to begin us on our journey for medical plastic solutions and Rchling in general, we have Lisan. Lisan, thanks for your time and for starting us on what happens here.
Yeah, great to have you here today. So I'm very happy that I have the opportunity to talk to you today about R&D and innovation. And as we have already learned, we try to support our customers along the entire value chain. So it all starts in R&D. And have you ever heard of a concept of doing innovation workshops together with customers?
No. I mean, how does that work?
Yeah, so I can just explain to you. It's a very cool way that we go with our customers. We start supporting them at a very early phase. So from the first idea, can be a completely new product, can be an existing product that needs a redesign, cost optimization. We come together, we have a team of experts in R&D, tool construction, and then we try to generate as many ideas as possible together. We're gonna weight them, and afterwards, our customer goes out of these innovation workshops, not only with an idea, but with a concrete action plan. I think what is very important to say that we just talk to our customers directly. We do everything in contact. We analyze the requirements. We understand the product. We understand the idea.
Right.
And then we're also the partner to realize it. And we take the next steps with our customers, do that product development, and also give a concept on how to proceed so that you have your prototypes in your hands, and
it
it's
has
not
to be. Yep. Oh, I'm sorry to cut you.
Yeah.
But
I have
you're
so
really,
much to say about R&D.
I'm able to follow you because not only is it important that there's a technical aspect to it, but because it's medical, there's all sorts of regulations that maybe your customers don't know how to deal with, which you deal with on a daily basis.
Yeah, definitely.
And as a consultant, you can do that.
Yeah, definitely. We have that expertise when it comes to regulatory affairs. We know what data we have to provide and what kind of stuff our customer needs after the product development is finished. And we also provide all the necessary documents and but a lot of regulatory work, of course. It's not that easy as it's medical technology, but we have our expertise in that, and
I would love to see some of that process so that we can have a look at the.
Yeah, of course. I can hand over to my colleague Lucas, and he can explain everything when it comes to tool construction, our technology center, and let's go on.
Well, thanks, Lisan.
Yeah,
appreciate it.
Thanks.
Okay, so for this next part, we're here with Lucas, head of project management.
Yeah, correct.
That's
Hi there.
awesome. We are standing in front of what looks simple to be a mold. We've walked through the process of ideation and design, but I know the magic happens here. This looks simple, but this is not simple.
Yeah, absolutely.
Lucas, can you tell us about what happens in this room?
Sure, of course. So what you showed is absolutely correct. We did the 3D data, so the idea of the customer becomes reality in the CAD, but here we put it into the steel. And what you can see here is the fixed side of a tool, so there's also the moving side. So this is only half of the tool. And I think what's special about this tool, it's a high temperature tool, it's really a special thermoplastic, and we basically build it up from scratch. So what you can see here, and you can also smell it, this is the tool shop. So this is more or less our treasure chamber. We do most of tools we use in our serial production right here. We have some milling, drilling, EDM over there, and of course here the workplaces where we put all the parts together. I mean, you see only a little bit of it, but there's so much inside of these of this big piece of steel, and yeah, this is what we do here. But before that, there's also has to be the construction of the tool, and if you're ready with the tool, so all parts are put together. We came to the first sampling of the tools, and this is one of the most exciting parts, at least for me.
Exciting, that's hard.
Yeah, absolutely. Does anything or everything works the way we planned it, the way we thought it through our heads, and does it work for the first shot? And this is,
it's exciting, I get it, but
absolutely,
man,
absolutely.
the iterations that I understand that you go through is crazy.
It's not all time a one-shot wonder, sometimes, but most of the times there will be a second and a third and maybe a fourth sampling. But it's also quite exciting because the team comes together. We take the measurements, we look at the tool, all ideas come together to get it really to serial production. And this is basically what we do. Best case, we get nice and good parts, and we can go directly to the measurement shop, see if all fits together, the specification of the customer. And if all that is done, maybe we need another sampling, that's possible. We put it to a final test in the serial production, and then we can go over to the validation, and then it's finally it.
And it's alive.
Yeah,
it's a
absolutely.
real product. That's cool.
Yeah.
Well, it sounds like you really have the process dialed in, not just the process of making a tool, but you really have the knowledge to really bring a product to life, and that's really fun to see. But I think my next stop here is to go to where serial production happens, right?
Absolutely.
Cool. Well, I'm excited for that. Lucas, thank you for your time, and we'll see you soon.
Yeah, see you. Bye.
Okay, to explain to us the next part of the process, we decided to come speak with Heinrich, who is site director here at Röchling. Heinrich, thank you for your time. I have so many questions. Can you first and foremost explain to us why we're dressed like this and what's going on back here?
Welcome to our clean room. We're very happy that you're here. We're dressed like that because you have a very good chance to see a product here that will affect a person's life, maybe save his life, and it only will work if the product is good. That means we produce a good product and we keep it in a good shape, and it is not okay if it's contaminated. That's why we're dressed like that. We protect our products we produce here. That's the reason for this nice suit you're wearing.
So we're here because everything you touch needs to be clean and guaranteed clean, and that's great.
Yes.
Can you explain what this process is back here, for example?
Yes. We produce a lot of variety of products.
Yeah.
And this product, we produce petri dishes. We produce in 5 seconds 4 covers, 4 bottoms, and then they were assembled and packaged and shipped to the customer. And that's what we do here. But we have a huge variety in our product portfolio.
Yeah.
So if you walk around, you will see a lot of interesting products.
Of course. I mean, this looks like a dedicated line, but as we were walking here, I saw many different lines that look like they have the ability to be flexible. That's got to be a lot to manage and very difficult to do, yeah?
Absolutely. We manage the complexity for our customers. I would say everyone can buy a good machine, but in a good project team that it buys the perfect machine for this product and for other products, that they all work on these machines, that we can deliver different products to our customers. And that's what we do here. We manage complexity.
Oh, that's outstanding, because I mean, as I'm walking through, I'm just looking at the technology, and in and of itself, it's difficult. And you manage that on your customer's behalf, but on top of everything, it has to happen in a sterile, clean environment, because if it doesn't, someone's life could be at stake. And it is fantastic that there's a company like yours to manage them on your behalf. Thank you so much for that work. Thank you for showing this to us. I think we'll continue on to talk about quality, right?
Yes. But to be honest, quality is within all our processes. We do not measure the quality at the end. We have it inside everything we produce in all processes. We need to guarantee the quality. It's not only measured at the end.
Oh, I love that. Thank you for your attention to quality, especially when people's lives depend on it. Heinrich, thank you for welcoming us, and thank you for the good work.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so Nico, thank you for setting all that up for me. It was very impressive. Now, I know what this is. Can you explain to us where we are in the process and what happens in this room?
Of course. We are here in our air-conditioned measuring room. We are able to measure with different kind of methods like optical or tactile. So you remember Lukas showed you half side of a tool in our tool shop.
Yep.
This is the other side.
Oh, this is the other side.
We are not only able to measure parts, but also measure completely tools with our Zeiss tactile measurement system.
And when I was upstairs with Heinrich, he mentioned that quality was embedded in the process, and here it is in practice, right? So this is not the final state. This is somewhere before even full-scale production. So it is true that really quality is not an end game, but just something that is baked into the DNA of your process. That's great.
You're so right. We know our responsibility that we are working in a company that produces parts and assemblies that are essential for our society. So quality assurance is one of the biggest key factors in our business. And quality doesn't end with each process. It's an important part and an important point along our entire value chain.
Yeah, absolutely. And we appreciate that you trust Zeiss with the quality of your end products and your whole procedures. It's an honor for us to be part of that. So thank you for that.
Yeah. We are so proud to be in a so good partnership with you, and we're super happy about it.
Cool. Now, but it doesn't just stop with quality, right? There are other things that you have to do on your customer's behalf, yeah?
Yes, when it comes to regulatory affairs, we support our customer, for example, providing all the necessary documents during all the required validation, for example, process validation, assembly, packaging, sterilization validation, and that's all in-house.
Yeah, and I know you kind of glossed over we have to do PQ, IQ, all of that, but I also know that that's extremely difficult to do, and it's quite a testament to the fact that you can do that on your customer's behalf. Really, I remember when we were upstairs, you made the statement that we're not just a manufacturer, you're a solution provider, and it's really cool that you have the knowledge and the experience to provide all of that because it's not easy on their behalf. So it's really a testament to just how good you are. So again, really impressive facility and process that you have set up here.
Thank you so much, Jay.
Yep. So thank you for your time. Appreciate that. And thanks for letting us come to your facility.
It was such a great day.
Yep, cool. And for you out there, hope you enjoyed our little look at medical plastic solutions. I enjoyed this one. I hope you did too. Don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy. We'll see you next time.